What's up, guys? Will H back with another video, taking a look at some watch bands that I picked up from my Apple Watch SE. Now, I've had the SE about a week now, a little bit over a week maybe, and I wanted to get some extra bands for it. The band that comes with this, the silicone strap, is very comfortable, but just wanted something different to change it up a little bit. So this is my first set of bands. Now, this came in a 5-pack. I picked these up on Amazon.com. Price is $15.99. And of course, I'll leave the link in the description if you guys want to pick these up. These are by a company called Adorve. These are stretchy solo loop bands. Now, these are going to be compatible with your 38mm watch all the way up to your 49mm Ultra. These are soft nylon elastic braided strap bands. And like I said, you can I'll leave the link where you can pick these up on Amazon.com. Now, I picked up the color combination of black, white, navy blue, army green, and gray. But they also come in a wide variety of other colors. You can get these black, white, gray, pink, red. You can get these in black, sand pink, pine green, wine red, and gray. Just a bunch of different colors. And like I said, I'll drop that link in the description so you can go over and take a look at all the colors and pick up the colorway that you want. So here it is. Here are the colors. They gave you this nice little baggie in case you're not using them. You can store these in their own individual little pouch. I'm going to go ahead and take the bands out, and then we'll take a look at them on the watch. All right, guys, so we're back in. I have them out of the plastic baggie there. So we're going to go through the colors. So here's the black one. This is stretchy. As you guys see, you got a buckle here to adjust. You got a plastic end here that's going to connect to your watch. And here it is. So that's the black one right there. This is going to be your green. I think they call this army green. Now you can see the plastic part that hooks up to the watch is going to be the same color as the strap. And then you got the gray one, which is nice. Right there, all stretchy. Here's the white one. And I'll be honest, I'll probably never wear the white one. That's the white. And then here's the navy blue, which is nice as well. So let's go ahead, try these out on the watch. So Apple has a little button here that you push, and it makes it pretty simple to take these off. So now I need to figure out which end goes where. That's going to be the big question here. So I'm going to try it like this first. So let's go ahead and slide this in. I'm going to put the loop towards the top and see if this is correct. Just like that. Very easy to slide through and lock in place. The top piece was anyway, so let's see. There it is. So very easy to put on. And this is what it's going to look like here. And let's see if this will fit my wrist. Hey, look at that, right out of the box. It is a perfect fit. It's not too tight. I may be able to loosen it up just a little bit. So let's take it back off. So if you wanted to give yourself a little bit more on the band, let's see, gonna go that way. Yeah, shortens the loop up a little bit. So I just moved it just a little bit. And there it is. So yeah, that is a better fit there. And you guys can see the loop. Very nice, man. This is nice. So I'm wondering about when these get a little sweaty or a little dirty, if you can wash these or not. So, but that is the black one. I'm going to go ahead and put the next color on and show you guys that color. All right, guys. So here's the green. Green looks dope. Let's go ahead and try that on. So here's the green. Yeah, I like that green, man. That hits a little bit different. I could change my watch face to go along with this. These are very comfortable as well, guys. So let's go ahead and try out the gray one next. Okay, guys, so here's the gray. There it is. That matches pretty good as well. Let's go ahead and try it on the wrists. There it is. Very lightweight. I do like the way this feels. Very breathable, it seems. And we'll go ahead and try the white one on next. Okay, guys, so here's the white one. And like I said, I'll probably never wear this one. I'll give this one to my wife. Let her rock this one. But here it is on the wrist. Guys, see, the white is clean. It is clean, but it will be dirty if I wear it. So let's go ahead and try the last color. All right, guys, so we're back in. Here's the blue one. And I kind of like this blue color a lot, man. I think I'm going to rock this one the rest of the day. It's going to be very nice. And like I said, the way you adjust this, just slide it up through the loop, top loop, bring it like that. Make it larger or smaller. And I imagine this will flatten out over time right here. But the blue one is going to be the one I rock the rest of the day. Very easy to slide on. That may be just a little bit loose right there. I'll tighten it up just a little bit. And here's the band, the buckle on the side of it here. Trying to show you guys that. That's what it looks like there. Yeah, that's a little bit loose, but I'll definitely drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick these up. Very nice, inexpensive watch bands that you can get for all of your Apple Watches, not just the SE. Will H Gadgets and More. I'm out.